Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio pair, and this time we're demonstrating another Pioneer HR99. This belongs to Anthony in looks like Pecos Park, Illinois, and sent in for just a basic tune-up and preventive maintenance. Wasn't really the machine was working, so let's go ahead and pop in a tape and make sure it still works.
You're the answer to my prayer. I found the answer to my prayer. You're the answer to my prayer. So see her, she'll take your heart. Got a one-way ticket to the blues.
Okay, so I was waiting for the automatic track change, and there it is.
Down, 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 right up to each little sheep. The king, sky above. Every moment that I held you tight, I was so steady again. Let's go touch me, stand in me, believe me, go steady again.
Okay, and there we go, folks. There's not much to test on a home unit. Just make sure it plays and switches tracks properly. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. To reach me for service, you can either visit my website in the description below, or you can call me directly at 928-533-9666. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.